This will be interesting. Alright, welcome. Where's my key? Fingernail clippers and keys and mace and a wallet and knife and a flashlight and all in one pocket. Don't worry, I found the key. Who's ready to take this thing for a test drive? Can't see if I'm in neutral. That's gonna be a problem. Okay, first of all, I don't have my helmet buckled. So probably should do that. Alright, I'm really excited. I have 3 cameras running. We have the Hero 3, which is only 1080 at 30, I believe. We have 1080 at 60. Then we have 4K at 60 with image stabilization. We also have a new mic. It's called the Panda. Got a wind socket on it. I mean, a dead cat. So we got full batteries, hopefully. We got empty memory cards. Ooh, it's chilly. Let's close these vents. I have the Osmo Pocket on slow follow. When I turn my head, it doesn't. I tried it before with the fast follow, and it just was like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So now I'm going with the slow follow just to see if that's any different. What's this lady doing? Don't back up. Get your mail? Just get your mail? Okay, that's okay. So we got the slow follow. Can't see my blinker either. Alright, that GoPro ain't gonna work there. I gotta see my blinker and my neutral, and what if I leave my blinker on? That's gonna be embarrassing. It's cold. It's like 60 and cloudy. Okay, it looks like the GoPro in front of me stopped recording. I have no idea why. What's your problem? You just wanted to stop recording just for fun? I think you need to erase. Okay, do we have GoPro 2 still recording? Yeah, that one's working. The one on my thingy here, it's shaking real bad. I don't know how people do that. Hey, is this Lana? The other day it was Lana running. Be careful, we got a mower. We got Lana. Hi Lana. You'll see this later on the internet. This is my buddy's house, testing the 4K. I say, what do I want to do, you know, if I'm looking at a stop sign, I want to be able to point my head. I want the Osmo to track it, get a nice, I want to be able to cut to it and get a nice close-up, but then have the GoPro for the wide angle. Got some kiddos here. Now see, I'm going to look at them, see if we can get a good shot of them. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, I feel like I know them. Maybe not. If it's who I think it is, I didn't know they lived right there. Anyways, well, this will be a nice little tour. We got dual GoPros, an Osmo Pocket, the Panda microphone. Oh, squirrel! So now I'm wondering, did the Osmo pick that up when I turned sideways, or what? I don't know. All right, well, this should have been a good test. The triple camera setup. The only thing is, it can't rain, because this one and this one are not waterproof. Oh, this one moved down. I see it moved down. I got a car behind me. Sorry. I got a blinker, but it's small. I'm sure you guys want to see what this looks like. So yeah, to get this GoPro off of here, we'll just show you what this looks like real quick. Did I take the key out? Oh no, I left it in there. Anybody want a free bike? Anybody in here? Nope. So here we go. Oh, the Osmo looks a little low. I wonder if that's because I was sitting down. It's definitely tracking good though. Here's a little microphone up here. This is gonna look sweet going down the road.